Hi, this is Monish from the team Workings. We have built our product MedChain. I am going to give a demo of this prototype. The main aim of this particular product is to provide a secure influx between the patients and the hospitals. Currently, we took up the problem statement of the patient index where there is an issue of patients to maintain their medical records. So this web app helps the patient to make store all his previous medical records and given access to the hospital that he visits, so that the hospital can view all the past medical records of that particular patient. The patient need not carry his medical records. There is always a risk of losing those previous medical records. So this particular web page solves that particular issue, and we have achieved this using Firebase and blockchain. We are using blockchain to improve the security of the particular and provide a secure influx between the patients and the hospitals. The main aim of using a blockchain here is to make the patient decide which hospital should view and add medical records to his particular blockchain. So the patient can control which hospital can use blockchain. Not all the hospitals can view or add records to a patient's blockchain. So now I will directly jump into the demo and explain it. So this particular web page has two types of accounts. The one is an patient type of an account, and the other one is an hospital type of an account. So now I'm going to log in as an hospital, Apollo at medchain.com. This is the login page. So once the hospital logs in, they will land up at this page. This page is to connect with a new patient that comes to their hospital, that visits their hospital. So the hospital needs that patient's blockchain access to view his past medical records and as well as add future medical records. So as an hospital, I'm going to request a patient's, I entered a patient's email ID and I'm going to request this particular patient. I have requested him. So before the patient accepts the request, you cannot view his blockchain. For example, I'm trying to view a patient's blockchain. This particular patient, I have sent request to this particular patient now, but he hasn't yet accepted it. Before he accepts, when I'm requesting to see his blockchain, I will get a message that you don't have access to his blockchain. For example, even if I'm trying to add medical records to this particular person's blockchain, I won't be able to do it. Yeah, I'm getting the message that you don't have the access of this patient. So now as a patient, I have to log in as a patient and accept this particular request from this hospital. Yeah, now I'm going to come from the patient's point of view, logging in now as the patient Monish. Yeah, once I log in, as you see, this is the page for the patient where all the requests made to this particular blockchain. That is, the hospitals make the requesting access to the patient's blockchain. All those requests will be shown in this particular web page, and the patient may accept the particular request or can also reject. It's up to him. So now I'm going to give access to Apollo at medchain.com, the access to the particular hospital by accepting that request, and then now I have given the access to that particular hospital. So now the hospital can view my blockchain and as well as add medical records to my blockchain. Now let's go and this is the hospital account. So I'm going to add a new patient record to this particular blockchain. So I'm going to enter this email ID and I'm just giving it as a not problem. And I'm going to upload a sample, some files for this purpose. I'm going to add some image. Now I'm going to give the add. Yeah, for file handling, we have used the IPFS, interplanetary file system. This particularly helps us in uploading files securely into a blockchain. We have used web3 storage where through IPFS, we are adding it to web3 storage. So now, I have had a particular hospital has added a patient's record to the blockchain. So now in the patient's page, I can the patient can go to his go and view his all the old records. Yeah, now as I said, the particular document that has been uploaded by Apollo is visible here. The the hospital that uploaded this is Apollo, that is mentioned, and the description also mentioned, and the medical record that has been uploaded, I can view it here. Once this may take a bit of time because it has to move on to decode and open the IPFS site. Yeah, once again, I want to explain more on the IPFS part. We have just uploaded a file to a blockchain. The interplanetary file system helps in a secure way of uploading the files into a blockchain. Yeah, it is visible here. The file that I have uploaded is visible here now. This is the way we have used IPFS secure way. So now, yeah, one more thing I want to show is this particular medical records of a patient is also visible from the hospital's side as well. That I want to show it. Yeah, view existing patient record. This is from the hospital side. I am in Apollo's account and I am going to enter the patient's mail ID now. And once I request the records, I'm able to view it here as well. So now this record has been uploaded by Apollo, right? Some new hospital, like I'm going to log in as Billroad here. This new now particular patient Moniesh has left the Apollo hospital and he is coming to Billroad hospital. So again, Billroad will request an access to Moniesh blockchain. So I have requested. So from the user's account, from Moniesh account, I can go and yeah, now a request has been shown here to me from Billroad at MedChain.com. So I'm going to accept it. Yeah, once I accepted it, I have given view access to the Billroad hospital as well. So Billroad hospital can view my new records. So my first hospital was Apollo. Apollo has uploaded some. I have to take some treatment in Apollo, and Apollo has uploaded some medical records. Now I am left Apollo and going to a new hospital. In that case, once the hospital got my view access, they can view my medical history as well. Yeah, you can see the Billroad hospital can see my medical record history, that the hospital that I took treatment, the description of my treatment, and the medical record. You can view it here, the same way of IPFS. Yeah, now finally, I want to show one more thing from the patient's point of view. Like if he came out of Apollo hospital and joined Billroad hospital, and now he don't want Apollo hospital to view his blockchain or add medical records to his blockchain. You can go here and remove the access from Apollo's blockchain. A bit of UI part has been left. Styling was a bit because of a lack of time. Now I have removed access from Apollo. So now if we go to Apollo and want to view the particular patient's blockchain, you won't be able to view it because you don't have access to that blockchain, to the patient's blockchain, because Apollo has been removed from the view access of the person's blockchain. Yeah, that's all about our project. We believe that this is the best way of providing a best prototype to the patient's index of maintaining records. And actually, security is of patient's records is very much important. That should be taken into consideration. That's why we came into the idea of using a blockchain for this purpose. Because a patient may decide that this particular medical record should be shown to a particular hospital only, and it should not be shown to everyone. In order to make the customer satisfaction and improve the security to his medical records, we have used our blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, and built our product MedChain. We believe that this would be the perfect prototype for the medical index of a patient. Thank you.